The Digital Freight Portal Hub gives you and your colleagues many options to manage the activity happening in your customers' portals. In this video, we'll show you how to approve new portal users and manage Hub users from your Hub account. Let's get started. The number of active portal users you can have depends on the plan your organization purchased, so approving or denying portal user requests ensures that you stay within your user count. When you receive a new user request, you'll get an email notification like this. You can click the View User button to view the request. You can also view user approval requests in the Hub Home dashboard. Click on the user to review the request. You see the username, email, and the site the user has requested an account for. Click this toggle to determine if the account will be restricted to the requested site only. Click the Search button in the Magaya Entity field to connect the new user to an entity in Magaya Supply Chain. Connecting the user account to a Magaya Supply Chain entity will automatically add the user as a contact for the entity. The entity must already exist in Magaya Supply Chain to appear in the Digital Freight Portal list. If you don't see the entity in the Hub, add them in Magaya Supply Chain first, then return to the Hub. Find the Magaya entity you need in this list. You can scroll through the list and load more, or you can search by entity name using this field. Click the name of the entity, and then click Continue to return to the portal user profile. The Profile section displays the information entered by the user when they requested the account. Changing profile information is not recommended because the user can see their profile after the account is approved. Click this toggle to include the user in marketing emails. Finally, click these buttons to approve or reject access for the user. Now that we've seen how to manage your portal users, let's take a look at managing your organization's Hub users. Go to your Settings menu and select Users. Here is your list of Hub users. Click on the user's email to edit their role. See the permissions available to the role. Click Update User to save any changes, or Cancel to return to the list. Click here to add a new Hub user. Enter the new user's name and email and select a role for them from the list. Enter a password or click the Generate option to generate a random password. Click Create User to create the account and add them to your Hub users list. The new user will receive an email notifying them of their account details. For more information about using the Digital Freight Portal, see our other videos or check out the knowledge base for more topics. Thanks for watching!